what it is, what it ain't. It's your girl Ombre Alert. I am back with another video. If you're ready to get into some lipstick today, I need you to like this video and subscribe. So here we go. I'm already wearing one of the Colourpop lipsticks. It's called Friends from the Brown Sugar collection. This is one of my favorite lipsticks to wear. You can use this lipstick on the outer corners of your lips and put another lighter, like a nude situation in the middle for a whole vibe. I'm here to talk about the Luxe lipsticks at Colourpop. They're popping, they're creamy. You can lick your lips, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And they'll stay, you know, all day. Because in the fall and the winter time, we don't want to have extremely dry lips. That's just not what we're here for. So, if you like this lip, this is called Friends, and I will actually show you what these cream lipsticks look like in a few seconds. It's going down right here. So like this video, subscribe, and let's get into it. So I'm going to take off Friends, and what I'm actually going to do is talk a little bit about each one, and I'm just going to show you. Okay, this one is called 27. It's like a brownish, how can I, like a plum almost. But if you put like a raspberry type of burgundy lip liner around it, I don't really have one, that's why I'm suggesting it. If you want to know a really good one, I would suggest Mamacita at Colourpop. Is really good. You put that around your lips and put this on. Look at that. Super creamy. You know, easy to work with. All it takes is a couple swipes and the lipstick is on. The lipstick is on, okay? Boom. So that's 27 by Colourpop. And look at this packaging. It's gold. It's cute. It has like little stars on it. And even the lipstick has stars on it if you look really, really close. It's like so super cute. And all of these lipsticks are $7.50 on the website. So you can get yours, get it popping, get it on. And I feel like for the fall, you have to have variety, just like any other season. But the fall is different. Sometimes you want to let your lipstick do the talking. If you're into more darker colors, that's really something that you want to do. I like this one. It's called Pinkies Up. It's like my favorite nude because it's kind of like a pinky nude. So it's more on the natural side. So you can use one of the Colourpop lippy pencils, and I'm going to use, hold on a sec, I'm going to use Control, and I'm going to kind of line my lips a little bit, like so. And then I'm going to put this on, just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You see that? It's super natural, super cute, ready to go. Doesn't take you long. Like sometimes picking your lipstick can take you forever. So it's good to know which lipsticks are good to choose from depending on your mood and such forth. So moving forward, I'm going to show you a couple more lipsticks. This one is Trapeze, a really poppin' ass, excuse my language, red that's so hot. Like if you just not feeling good about yourself and you just want that red, this is the red that you need. Like I want to shake things up. I want to get the guys looking. You know what I'm saying? This is the red. This is the red. This one, this red is called Trapeze. Or you want to do this red. And it's more on the pinky side of town. More on the raspberry. It's called On Display. And I'm telling you, people will be staring at you all day. Like, what is going on? Like, she is everything. On display is what you want. Like, the name speaks for itself, too. That's what I like about Colourpop. The price is right. The names are right. Like, come on now. That's what you want. I'm a sucker for, like, good, cool names. La Lady. If you're looking for a nude with a little coral touch, this is the lipstick for you. La Lady. Super cute. What I would do is maybe use a brown lip liner or Love Bug by Colourpop. The lippy pencil is a little on the coral red side, so you can get a vibe. Matter of fact, mix the brown and Love Bug together, and that's super cute. Scorpion Moon is more of a muted lavender color. It's super, super pretty. I think that this lipstick is super, super cute. If you're in like a flirty mood, like this is the one. This is the one for you. Oh, we already talked about 27. And Pinky's Up. Super cute. Friends. Scorpion Moon. I'm trying to find, yes, Cinnamon. This is the one that I love. It screams like sweet potato pie, pumpkin pie, like holidays. If you're looking for a brown that's like not too deep, like this is the one. And I am going to show you actually. I'm gonna actually show you what I do with Friends too. So you can see what I mean. So I'm gonna start with Friends. And I'm gonna put that around the outside. You see that? You see how that just became a whole vibe? Like using just 2 lipsticks? Come on now. I use Cinnamon in the middle and I use Friends on the outside. Just like that. That's a holiday lip for you right there. You know what I'm saying? So using 2 to knock out 1 look. And I feel like we talked about all of them that fast. So get your life with Colourpop. It's a great company. All the products are affordable. I have 9 of the cream lipsticks, and look how cute they look in this holder. Like, I can keep this on my dresser. I always have something to refer to as far as lipsticks go, so I know which ones to pick. If it's really cold outside or whatever the case may be, whatever my vibe may be, I can just stick with these. And some of them I can add gloss to, like Third Eye. It's one of the lightest ones that I have. So I definitely use a brown lip liner with that. I don't go wrong with that. And I might add a little gloss if I'm feeling a little saucy or whatever. But that's just for the look of it all. And those are the 9 Luxe lipsticks that I have from Colourpop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check Colourpop out. Their prices are amazing. Their lippy pencils are amazing. Their Luxe lipsticks are fabulous. I encourage everybody to go try some. I need to go get some more. Colourpop, if you're watching, holler at Ombre Alert. I can do this all the time if you want to send me some things, you know what I'm saying? But that will all happen in the future. I'm not even worried about it. This is Ombre Alert, and I'm signing out. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. When he came up in the field, get money, get life, or get killed. Man, how the fuck it's gon' feel when we start touching the mills? We ain't got nothing but shells. We ain't got nothing to tell. Watch how the story unveil. Bet you the hustle prevail. Equity all in my deals.